All right, let's get your team into Trailmark and start collaborating. Building your workspace begins with invitations, so we'll walk through exactly how to do that, what permissions to grant, and how to manage the process from start to finish. First, let's invite a single teammate. From the main sidebar, navigate to Settings, and then click on Members. In the top right corner, you'll see a prominent Invite People button. Click that. A dialog will pop up asking for an email address. Just type in your colleague's email. Now for the most important step, choosing a role. Below the email field, there's a drop-down menu. This is where you decide what level of access this person will have. We'll break down exactly what these roles mean in just a moment, so hang tight. For now, select the one that makes sense. You can also choose to restrict their access to specific projects right from the screen, which is handy for keeping things organized. Once you're set, click Send Invitation. They'll get an email with a unique link to join your workspace. That's perfect for adding people one by one. But what if you're bringing on an entire department? For that, we'll use the bulk invite feature. In that same Invite People dialog, you'll see a link for Bulk Invite. Click it, and you'll get a simple text box. Here you can paste a list of email addresses with each one on a new line. You can add up to 200 people in one go. The key thing to remember with a bulk invite is that everyone in that batch gets the same role and the same project access. You can also add a custom note to the invitation email, which is great for adding a personal welcome message. Now, let's talk about those roles, because getting this right is key to a smoothly run workspace. Think of the workspace owner as the ultimate key holder. This role has full access to everything, managing members, changing settings, and crucially, handling billing and the subscription plan. An owner is the only one who can delete the workspace. You always have to have at least one. Next up is the admin. An admin is your trusted deputy. They can manage members, tweak workspace settings, and handle security and integrations. The main difference is that they cannot manage billing or delete the workspace. This is the perfect role for an IT manager or a team lead who helps you run the show. Then you have your main contributors, the editors. These are the folks doing the day-to-day work. They can create and edit projects, documents, automations, and reports. They're the builders and doers in your workspace, but they can't touch high-level settings or member management. Sometimes you just need someone to have eyes on the work without being able to change anything. That's the viewer role. It's strictly read-only. Viewers can see the projects they've been added to, but they can't create or edit a single thing. This is ideal for executives who need to check in on progress or for external auditors. Finally, there's the guest role. This is designed for external collaborators. Think freelancers, clients, or agency partners. You invite them to specific projects, and that's all they can see. They have no visibility into the rest of your workspace. Best of all, guests are free. They don't count against your number of paid seats. Okay, so you've sent your invitations. What happens next? Back in the Settings and Members area, you'll find a Pending tab. This is your command center for all outstanding invites. If someone says they never got the email, you can click Resend. If you want to send them the link directly over Slack or Teams, you can copy the invitation link right from here. Did you assign the wrong role by mistake? No problem. You can change it right here, even before they accept. And if you sent an invite to the wrong person, you can simply revoke it. Keep in mind that invitations expire after 14 days. If one does, you'll see a little red badge next to it in the pending list. Just hit Resend to generate a fresh link with a new 14-day window. And that's really all there is to it. You now have everything you need to build out your team in Trailmark, assign the right permissions, and manage the whole process with confidence. Go ahead and send your first invite.